President Trump will meet Xi Jinping in South Korea as the two countries seek a trade deal. It's Friday, 24th of October, and here's what you need to know. President Trump heads to Asia later today, first to a summit of Southeast Asian countries in Kuala Lumpur and then to South Korea, where the White House says he'll meet Chinese President Xi Jinping on Thursday. That's less than 48 hours before new 100% US tariffs on Chinese imports are set to kick in retaliation for China's export controls on rare earths. The US is considering a plan to raise the stakes even further by barring the export of US software in everything from laptops to jet engines to China. Markets, though, are relieved the meeting is happening at all. Our number of the day is 3.1%. That's the forecast for US consumer inflation year on year in September. That number's due out later, 9 days late, because of the US government shutdown. It's the first piece of official US data that markets have had to go on since the shutdown started more than 3 weeks ago. It is expected to come in higher than the last reading. Economists say that's because companies are increasingly passing on the cost of tariffs to consumers. Even if it is unexpectedly high, though, that's not seen as likely to deter the Fed from cutting rates again next week. Our stock of the day is Intel. That jumped 7% in after-hours trading after the company reported third-quarter profit that beat estimates. The US government took a 10% stake in Intel in August for $8.9 billion. It's also attracted major investment from Nvidia and SoftBank. That stock is up 90% so far this year, even though it's struggled to break into the AI chip market. And in case you missed it, all US trade talks with Canada are reportedly off after the province of Ontario put out an advertisement using a Ronald Reagan quote that criticised tariffs. The video uses a real clip from a 1987 speech of Reagan saying tariffs caused job losses and trade wars, but President Trump said it was fake. The two countries have been in talks for weeks, trying to reduce tariffs on steel and aluminium. And that's what you need to know this morning.